What I'd like to talk to you about today is cloud-based architectures. Microsoft has introduced their cloud-based architecture for enterprise organizations. That cloud-based architecture provides us a way under which we can move all our functionality to the cloud and/or we can maintain some of our function in on-premise situations. So a lot of corporations aren't ready yet to move to the cloud completely. So one of the issues that we have to deal with is how are we going to maintain that safe harbor about our data? For instance, if you're running Exchange Server and you want to run it in the cloud operations, you have to maintain that data in and under the local regulations and legal requirements of wherever the data is stored. So if you have operations in the European community, you have to keep that data safe in a UC system. So what we're going to do at that point is run that operation in a Microsoft data center that's located in the European Union. In the United States, we're going to run those data centers in the U.S. operations. Well, in order to set that up so that you have an end user who's traveling between those two locations, we're going to have to make it so that that end user can log on and utilize their Exchange server in both places. So we're going to be deploying what is known as a public key infrastructure. That PKI infrastructure is really based upon what is known as Active Directory Federation Services. Well, ADFS, or Active Directory Federation Services, is the way that we can secure down your data, whether it be kept on-premise or whether we move it to the cloud or have a hybrid mix between those two locations. We can use ADFS to lock that data down and keep it secure for all of your end users' experience inside your structures. So we've got cloud-based architectures that we've got to deal with. It's a new world that we've got to move to. So if you're going to deploy Active Directory Federation Services, you really should take a look at our courseware at www.globalknowledge.com. That courseware on Active Directory Federation Services 2.0 will help ensure that you have secured your data properly, whether it be on-premise or in the cloud. And wherever your user travels, you'll have that assurance of the secured data sets for your operations. We also have the Cloud Fundamentals courses that will allow you to set up the entire cloud architecture and provide that security functionality no matter what operating system you're running underneath. Thank you for your time.